babies, welcome back to another video. My name is Kay and this is Crown Baller. If this is your first time here, stop, drop, and roll into that red subscribe button. Turn your post notifications on so you know when I post new videos, of course. And if you're not new, hey boo, how you doing? Hey, we back. Also follow me on all of my social medias. That will be on the screen, and if not, it will be in the description box below. So without further ado, let's get into this video. I know y'all see me with a new look. Yes. Are we feeling the bangs or no? I'm low-key, high-key, like feeling them. Just of the lowest key, but of the highest key, if that makes sense. I made this bob unit. This hair is from Ali Pearl Hair, and I just wanted to kind of revamp this wig. It's an older wig. I've literally had this wig for like, I think it's going on 2 years now. So this is a really old wig, and Ali Pearl has held up for 2 years. Yes, honey, I am living proof of that, because this hair, as y'all can see, it's still bomb. But I just wanted to do something different, and I just have been seeing a lot of videos on girls doing these fringe bangs. So I was like, well, why not? Let's just try it. Let's just see how it goes. So here we are, and I honestly am in love. I might cut the bob just a little bit shorter. I'm getting real Selena vibes right now. So I don't know, I might leave it this long and then I might cut it. I'm not sure. It's not really much to it. Like, honestly, it's the most simple thing ever. Now, y'all know I'm not a hairstylist. I'm super beginner, just like y'all, if y'all are too. And so I watched a lot of videos. I'll link them down below, the videos that I kind of went based off of. And hopefully they'll help you too if you want to try this style. In the video, you're going to see me install this wig, and then you're going to see me cut the bangs and flat iron it, of course. So if you're interested in how to get this look, just keep on watching. I love you so much, and I will see you on the next one. Now give me a kiss. Mwah.